Hello my friends, this is FPS Russia again, and I have a pretty nice video for you today. It's one a lot of you have been requesting for a while. It is the most powerful handgun in the world, the 500 Smith & Wesson Magnum. I've got it right here, and we're going to be comparing this pistol to the 44 Magnum, which at one time was also the most powerful handgun in the world, and you can see the difference. It's a very big difference. You have a much bigger handgun here. The one interesting thing about it is this one is a 5-shooter, so only 5 bullets, and that is because it is such a large round, and the 44 is a 6-shooter. If you look right here, you can see the difference in the ammunition. You've got the standard 240 grain hollow point, and with hollow points, many of you ask, it's simple, it's just the end of the bullet is hollow, and you've got the flat nose 500 caliber, and this is a 400 grain bullet, so almost double, and a lot more powder behind this one. So let's shoot our clown with the 44, see what we can do, and then we'll get this one out. Okay, so again, this is the 44 Magnum. Okay, so you could definitely tell it's very loud, very powerful handgun, and I can already feel it in my hand, so I've got the feeling that moving up to this is really going to sting. Okay, so here we go. And that is the most powerful handgun on earth. If you zoom in right here, these are the 44 Magnums, these are the 500s. So I hope you enjoyed the video. My hand hurts like hell. And oh, please rate the video, favorite the video, because the next thing we're coming out with, ballistic knife. I hope you enjoyed, and have a nice day.